Drawing loan docs for CalHFA loans is a little different. The good news is, for the CalHFA First Mortgage, you will use standard FHA, VA, or Fannie Mae loan docs. It's the subordinate loans that you'll need to make sure you use the CalHFA specific note and deed. And remember to draw the docs in the lender's name, just like you do on first mortgages. CalHFA offers several resources to obtain subordinate closing docs. The best way to guarantee you're using the correct note and deed is to use CalHFA's Doc Wizard in MAS. There is a step-by-step user guide for the Document Wizard on the CalHFA website. You could also use the fillable PDFs of the subordinate loan docs, also available on the website. Another option for subordinate closing docs is if your company uses a document service like DocMagic or any other doc service. Just remember, it is the lender's responsibility to make sure that the document service you use has the most recent and correct documents. CalHFA's Lender Services is happy to provide Word versions of our notes and deeds, which will allow you to integrate the documents into your origination system. When you send docs to the title company, please make sure you are communicating with them that my home has to be recorded in second lien position. Now the docs are correct, let's get these loans purchased. Each subordinate loan must be sent to CalHFA for purchase. CalHFA will retain the servicing for all subordinate loans. The following is all the required documents to be submitted for each CalHFA subordinate loan. When you upload the subordinate loan purchase package, make sure you complete the loan purchase summary in MAS, including the correct wire or ACH instructions and a contact for us to reach out to if we have questions on the loan. Each lender is limited to 2 ACH accounts on file with CalHFA at one time. The first document on the checklist is regarding MERS. The lender will generate the MIN number for each subordinate loan and register it into MERS. We need the MIN summary page. The next document we need is the original note. It needs to be endorsed to the California Housing Finance Agency, and a allonge or endorsement may be used. The loan amount and the names must match the CalHFA conditional commitment. Next up is the deed of trust. We need the title company certified copy of the subordinate deed. You must include the legal description in the body of the deed, or you can use See Attached and attach a copy of the legal description. Check to make sure the borrower's names are correct, because the borrower's names on the deed must match the names listed on the commitment. Please remember, CalHFA does not allow a non-purchasing spouse to be on title or on the deed. Also note, vesting is not required on the subordinate deeds. The next document we need is the closing disclosure. We need a final CD for the first mortgage, and we either need the final closing disclosure or the final TIL for each subordinate loan, depending on whether or not the subordinate is TRID exempt. Also check that the maximum allowable lender fees for the first mortgage are within CalHFA's maximum lender fee limits, 3% or $3,000, whichever is greater. Then we'll also allow you to charge an additional $250 processing fee for My Home and an additional $50 processing fee on Zip. These are maximum lender fees, not mandatory fees, and CalHFA does not charge any fees. Then make sure the borrower isn't receiving any cash above the earnest money deposit. If you're doing a Zip loan, the Zip funds can only be used for closing costs, so make sure you don't have more Zip money than closing costs. Also remember that you can't use our assistance programs to pay off debt. The next document we need is proof that a 1-year home warranty was purchased. If the 1-year home warranty was paid through escrow and is listed on the closing disclosure as paid, no further documentation is necessary. If not, please provide evidence that the home warranty was paid and that the coverage requirements have been met. CalHFA also needs signature affidavits for all borrowers and a loan payment history if any loan payments or principal reductions were made on the first or any subordinate loan. Closed first mortgages must be sent to CalHFA's master servicer, Lakeview Loan Servicing, as indicated on the conditional approval within 10 days of closing. Checklists as well as deficiency notices and statuses are available through Lakeview Loan Servicing's client-facing website, which can be accessed at www.lakeviewcorrespondent.com. First mortgage notes should be endorsed to Lakeview Loan Servicing, LLC. All My Home and Zip Close loans are sent to CalHFA for purchase per the Notice of Commitment. Please upload all required documentation to CalHFA's MAS. When you go to upload the documents in MAS, please complete the loan summary. For any questions you have, please contact Single Family Lending at 916-326-8033 or email lenderservices@lendertraining@calhfa.ca.gov. For questions about a purchase file in process, please contact purchaseescalations@calhfa.ca.gov. Thank you so much for your time. Through our partnership, we are looking forward to more Californians having a place to call home.